Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you ever wonder why it feels so easy to fall off the wagon when you're chasing a goal? Why you start with excitement, maybe even momentum, but then, somewhere along the way, it starts to feel heavy, exhausting, or just plain hard, and you stop. This isn't just because you lack discipline, and it definitely isn't because you'll never change. It's actually because of something called the motivational triad. Our brains are wired for survival, to seek pleasure, avoid pain, and conserve energy whenever possible. That wiring kept our ancestors alive. But in today's world, it's also the reason that it feels so much easier to grab a cookie than to meal prep, to scroll Instagram instead of writing the book, or to stay stuck in the same routine instead of starting something new. Your brain will always offer you the path of least resistance, and that's normal. That's what our brains do. But the trick is learning how to work with your brain instead of letting it run the show. Today, we're talking about how you can persevere even when it gets hard, without beating yourself up, without slipping into all or nothing thinking, and without giving up on the life that you actually want to live. Have you ever thought that you were self-sabotaging yourself? So many of my clients will say things like, "I know what I want, but I just can't seem to stick with it," or "I always lose my motivation." Does this sound familiar to you? What's happening is you try to override your brain's survival wiring, but eventually that wiring pushes back. And when you give in, when you skip the workout, put off the project, or eat that piece of cake, you make it mean something about you. You might be thinking, "I'm lazy, I don't have what it takes," or "I'll never be able to change." But I want you to know that when this happens, nothing has gone wrong. That tug of war between your goals and your survival brain is completely normal. The motivational triad is always going to be there. It never goes away. And honestly, we don't want it to. It's actually there to help keep us safe. The real work is in learning how to manage it. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.